Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your headphones Beats Studio Pro from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings, and then we need to go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. And right here at the right side we have a button Disconnect. You need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So when you select to disconnect your headphones, you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but you leave them at the device list. And if you select Unpair, you will totally remove these headphones from your phone. So if you need this, just click at the Forget button. But let's disconnect them. And as I said, I stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave them at the device list, and I can easily reconnect them. If these headphones do not connect it with another device, just tap on them and turn on, of course. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.